If h of x is equal 18 minus x times 3 over 7 and n is equal h of 4, what is value of 3n? So we need to find value of 3n, and n is given here. N is equal h of 4. So we have to find the value of our function for x equals 4. Let me write this. N is equal h of 4. So this is equal. Now we have to go to formula of our function, and we need to substitute x by 4. So we have to copy parentheses 18 minus will be 4. We substitute x by 4, and we have times 3 over 7. So this is equal. Now we have to do whatever we have in parentheses. 18 minus 4 is 14, and we have times 3 over 7. So this is equal. We can reduce 7 with 14 is 2. So we have 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 1 is 6. So we found value of n. So now we can calculate 3n. 3n is equal 3 times n. n is 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. This is my solution.